In this lecture, we will look at the difference between transparency and blending modes. Blending modes offer you solutions that you cannot get with transparency. Here I have two circles. Let's say, I want to look through the yellow circle and see the blue circle. One way of doing this is lowering the opacity of the yellow circle. The problem with this method is that I am losing the color. The yellow fades out. The solution is using a blending mode. Below opacity is blend mode. From the list, I choose multiply. Multiply is like having two transparent circles on a light table. Let's also add a magenta circle and set it to multiply. We see that where cyan, magenta and yellow overlap, we get red, green, and blue. Cyan, magenta and yellow are printing colors, and red, green and blue are screen colors. In the next lecture, we will look at creative and practical uses of blending modes.